Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new process video for you in my Traveler's Notebook. For this spread, I have a background paper that I printed from Allison Pennington. She has very beautiful and vibrant designs, so I often like to use her papers in my notebooks. And this one I've actually done across the 2 pages, which I don't often do, although it's a nice look, so I should do it again. I just have to think about it ahead of time so that I can print it out the right way so that I can get the pattern continuing on both pages. And then I have a nice black and white photo here that I'm just going to add some different scraps to in my, a pretty typical spread here with the photo and a bunch of papers. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.